ASMR subculture. ASMR is a subculture. Its purpose is to relax and calm people by smacking their lips, gentle whispering, eating food, and so on. Typically, the person doing the ASMR has a microphone close to his or her mouth or nails. ASMR is the short term for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, which is the scientific word for when you get a tingling feeling down your spine or at the back of your head. Some people also refer to it as the chills. Even though a lot of people enjoy these ASMR experiences, many people may find it creepy, gross, or even disturbing. It provokes a feeling that many find appealing, and I think this is the reason why it has attracted such a large audience in the last couple of years. Personally, I don't find the ASMR experience a pleasant one. Although, if you're now curious about the subculture, before you start, there are some requirements. You've got to have a specific microphone, and it has to be all up in your face. Then you have to decide what sound you're going to make. You can, for example, use a pencil and draw lines that make a squeaking sound, or you can eat a cucumber and boom, now you have views on your YouTube channel. ASMR doesn't only include videos of nails and smacking lips though. As I mentioned earlier, ASMR is a feeling provoked by sounds or by even touch. A scalp head massager has also been proven to work as an ASMR tool. So if you one Saturday evening think to yourself, I wish I had one of those head massages, look up ASMR and enjoy.